Hello everyone, welcome
Hi,
back.
welcome back.
Okay, now we back to the living showroom already. Just
Yes.
now, Stephen and Keith taking us to the workshop and test the tower. We
Yes.
try our best to show the customer in abroad to
Mm-hmm.
show you how is our factory and how is our building and workshop.
Yes.
So as take the time, I want to tell you that is
Mm-hmm.
after the situation get better, finally we will go to your country to visit every interesting in our brand, the France.
Yes.
So remember, leave any your thinking and message to our official email.
Yes.
Lily, what is our email address?
Yes, our email address is on the screen. It is overseas at winone.cn.
Yes, over here is our the address. So I repeat again, that is overseas at win1.cn.
Yes.
Okay, we really hope we can have the good relationship and have the new cooperation with you. So don't wait it. Send
Yes.
your email.
Mm-hmm.
So Liliana,
Yes.
I want to ask, how do you think our test tower and the workshop?
Actually, I have been to our test tower for several times, and
Uh-huh.
each time I went, I felt it is very, very great, the view, and the scenery is very, very good.
In our test tower, we has a lot of very powerful technology,
Yes.
such like the 8 meters per second, very high speed elevator,
Yes.
right? And this test tower, every year we will test a lot of new technology inside.
Mm-hmm.
After we get the official certificate,
Yes.
then we will making the new function being with the elevator together.
Yes.
But today, we talking the topic is the escalator and moving walk.
Yes.
All right, so Liliana,
Mhm.
can you tell us what is the next part?
Yes, actually, just now our workers prepare some questions that
Uh-huh.
from our visitors. So I think we can start our Q&A parts.
Of course. Now let's go to the next part.
Yes.
Question and answer.
Yes.
Okay, let's see the first one. Some
Mhm.
customer is asking me by yesterday email.
Yes.
He's asked, what is the brush next to the escalator step?
Actually, many people don't know the role of the branch of the escalator,
Mhm.
but they think that this is used to branch shoes.
Okay.
But actually, the branch can prevent your clothes or foreign objects from getting caught in the gap between the skirt and the steps. So when the brush touches you, you need to stay away from the skirts.
By the way, I want to talk.
Yes.
That is the brush is a fixed object.
Yes.
And that is contains metal. So this brush, it
Yes.
is not the brush to clean your shoes, okay?
Yes, so please don't misunderstanding what is
Yes.
the branch.
Don't use it to clean your shoes. It will be
Yes.
very hurt.
Okay, and the
Okay.
second one is how often should the escalator be maintained?
To do the maintenance, right?
Yes.
Yes, actually for do the maintenance,
Mhm.
it is several like the yearly, the time that is once 15 days
Oh.
we do in one time.
Yes.
And the other side, it is according to the environments we use, such like the railway station.
Yes.
Uh-huh. Like the railway station, such like the Guangzhou Metro.
Yes.
Right?
We have some projects for it.
Yes, and also Guangzhou, this city, not railway
Yes.
station, also Guangzhou, the North Station or South
Yes.
Station, railway station has a lot of people rush.
Yes.
So for this public place, we must be pay more attention to take care about it, right?
Yes. Yes.
From the public place or some the project belong to the owner, we can take in the owner thinking, but it can't analyze 15 days.
Yes.
You can design yourself the maintenance time, it will be better.
Yes. Okay. And here's the third one. How to ride the escalator safely.
And when we talking about the safety for the escalator, I has a lot of words want to talk.
Yes.
So because don't be crowded when riding the escalator, must be keep a distance of 1 or 2 steps. The person in front.
Yes.
You must be have some distance with another people. Then we taking the escalator is the best way.
Wow.
And another, that is, there is an emergency button near the ground at the entrance of the escalator. If anything happens, like the safety accident, okay, please must be remember there has a button. Please press that button. To stop the escalator in time.
Yes, we remember it. And actually, because the time is not enough, so we just take 3 questions to answer. But if you still have any question you want to know, please do not hesitate to contact us or send us the email to below address overseas@winone.cn.
Remember, send us.
Yes. And after this, we still have some kind warning for you. Yes, for the first one is, do not jump on the running escalators. The moving escalators has a certain speed. If you jump on it, it might fall or roll over due to an unstable standing.
All right. Don't stand on the right side of the escalator.
Yes.
You can hold the handrail with one hand to prevent it from being pushed by someone and other accident. Okay? And standing on the right is also more dangerous.
Yes. And the third one is, do not stick out your body outside the escalator to prevent hitting objects on the outside. Most escalators are installed in a limited space, and there are many other items on both sides. So be sure to always place your part of the bodies in the escalators.
Talking here, I also want to talk. The girls don't wear very long dress to taking the escalator.
Yes, it is very dangerous.
It is dangerous.
Yes.
So except the light, another is take care of your children. Every parents, okay. Remember, don't allow your children to ride the escalator alone, especially when they are about to get off the escalator or get in the escalator. It is very dangerous. You must take them together. Never let them alone to do it. This activity is not good. Parents should always take care of them children to patch them directly to prevent the accident.
Yes. And the fifth one is, do not stop at the entrance or exits of the escalators. As we know, exits and entrances are important checkpoints. Your mistake will make it too late for others to dodge. It might hit each other directly and maybe injure in serious cases.
Okay, don't go on the escalator running in reveries. Some people may just take the reverse running escalator and escalator for speed, just for experience. Such dangerous behavior, okay, not only cause inconvenience to others, but also may upset you because the escalator is faster than your speed. It is very hard.
Yes, actually, we can see from the recently news there are some accidents happens, and so for the kind warning, we hope that everyone, when you take the escalators and moving words, please pay more attention.
To be honest, I can tell you that is our product for the every factory, very seriously factory. They can making completely very safety passenger elevator or escalator or moving walk. It is very safety, but you must be pay attention on the way you use. Because if you using the way is not good or it's wrong. The accident really by your side. It is seriously, please. Remember the warning we tell you.
So finally, we are going to broadcast it soon. Thank you very much for your watching. And Raymond, I want to ask you, you did this live show for several times. How do you feel?
Okay, this question to me. For the several times watch to talking the show, I feel the first time is a little nervous. But as the second time, I feel every time I talking the our friends, although online, but I still can get the reply. The first time after the showing, I get a lot of personal message or the email say, oh, Remo, you talk it okay. You talk
Yes.
is good. You introduce very well. You let us learn more about your factory.
Yes.
Although we not go in your place, but
Mhm.
we still can see what kind of thing your factory have. I'm so
Yes.
happy about it.
Yes.
So for future, although the situation will get better soon, I believe
Yes.
it. But still, we will have this way, this media to connect each other, let you
Yes.
know more things, although on the internet, right? Not
Yes.
only under the line. You have any question? Remember, okay? Send us official email.
Yes.
What is our address?
Our address is on the screen. It is overseas@winone.cn.
Okay, send us what you need and
Yes.
send us what you like.
Yes.
Okay, we will give you the best service and send you a lot of detail about our factory.
Yes, we have a very good time to review today. And if you still have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us or send us the email.
There is also a little notice. I believe
Yes.
you not only interested in the whole elevator.
Yes.
Because we have the passenger elevator, the frigid elevator, panoramic elevator, that is the bed type elevator, hospital one.
Yes.
Except like we have the villa one as the before during the other day we talking, right? Our college talking. Okay, at the same time tomorrow we will have the very handsome college and very beauty friends to introduce the spare parts for us, because our company not only have the full manufacturing for escalator and elevator, we also produce the spare parts by ourselves. This is very powerful.
Yes, there is the daily content in introductions, so please pay more attention on tomorrow this time.
Yes, that is. So today it's time to say goodbye, but we have no idea. We want to talk more, right, Lily?
Yes. So I'm Liliana.
I'm Remo.
Serve your need.
Know you more.
Goodbye.
See you next time. Bye bye.